senior mechanical engineering student. Maine's research, the engineering department was very persuasive. I wanted to do the offshore deep sea wind turbine project. And I tried very hard. I switched for that reason. I called, but they just couldn't take all the students. So when I switched here, I was I started off being upset. As a second year in college, have to restart over as an engineer because credits didn't transfer. And I was hoping that I'd get in on a project, get hands-on experience. Start a new contribution to something, and it didn't work out that way. And there wasn't any projects as a kid. If you don't get an internship, there's no projects that the school offers you to get that hands-on experience. Whatever you put in by yourself, the university isn't going to hand you anything because it's just so big, and not every kid goes to work at the center. I mean, there's really cool machines, water jets. They just put in a brand new $300,000 3D printer. Really cool machines, but do we get to use them? No. You're not coming out with a welding certification. You're not being a professional. It's just touching it. You get to kiss it, and that's it. And it's just, well, that was a good taste, but you can't tell the company that you go to work for, well, I did welding. And they put you out there and your weld fails. And they said, I thought you did welding. If the university, that was in the curriculum, so they know that you actually went through it and you had it, not saying that you did it by yourself. You get more pull if it's under the university name, in a resume, in a class. They know the teachers taught you. If you passed it, you passed it. It's not like some backyard engineering. So in Maine, you come out as an engineer, what do you have that stacks up with other universities? You don't have that experience, you don't have that drive, and it becomes very frustrating that if you have no experience and you lack the GPA, you don't have a job. And I was very lucky to get it. Without that internship, a lot of the hands-on, situational experience, being able to talk to personnel, salesmen, companies, learning what telecoms were, Skype calls, you wouldn't have done any of those things. I built the plasma CNC during the summer. I built it from top to bottom, design, prototype, build, and then I get to use it. And that's an automated machine that has a digital torch eye control that can cut 3-inch thick metal, and it can cut it with an automated program. Now I can do that. I learned how to do that. I'm building a drone right now. I'm building the first search and rescue drone in the nation. Now it sounds impressive. I'm working with the FAA. I'm doing all that stuff, and I've done more as an individual, and I've been saying it for years. The University of Maine is what you put into it individually is what you get out of it.